folks, this is Matthew at Riverponics. This is our latest and newest product. This is the Riverponics growing flats, self-watering system, a dual root system where you can utilize soil or hydroponic media, soilless media, to grow with. These are the wicking cups, and you would pack that full of cocoa, and that would protrude down into your grow channel, and it makes up your self-watering system. This comes equipped with quick connect fittings, 1/4-inch tube out to a reservoir. The reservoir is where you would apply your water and nutrients. It would gravity feed out there. There is a control valve right there, small little float valve, and that is adjustable so you can adjust the level of water in your grow channels. And that's what will feed your system to your grow channels with your water and nutrients. These lids are removable, they're adjustable, you can cut them down to size, do what you have to do. This is a 3-plant system here, and ultimately could be a 4-plant system, depending on how big you want your plants to be. Now on the other end is a inline pump, and it's just a push and pull, so that keeps water flowing in your channel in a circular motion continuously. It's open in and on both ends. You could put that pump on a timer even to save energy. So up to you how you want to do that. Another thing you could do is replace that inline pump with a chiller, a small chiller, to control your water temperature, and that would be your push and pull. We have the aeration, comes with the aeration pump, and you will get 2 air stones. Pretty simple setup. You could even grow hydroponically in here. You could drill holes in your lids and do hydroponic stuff. So it gives you options of being able to grow with different techniques, soil, soilless, hydroponics. So the roots, not only is this a self-watering system, but the roots will grow down through this net cup and into your grow channel, which gives you the dual root. And it makes for more vigorous growth because your roots aren't root bound in a container. They can expand out and go down into the grow channel. Another shot here, it's open in here right there with the float valve. That's a real nice user-friendly system. Quick connect fittings, air pump, inline pump, which you can replace with the chiller to reach your right temperatures for maximum plant growth. You get real creative with your nutrients in the reservoir. You can even implement a patented brewer to this system very easily. You can contact us or go to our website. Thank you.